Hey guys, MUR-LOCK 68 here. Hope everybody's doing well today. Kryptonite. We're going to have a look today at some beef. This just arrived. So let's have a look together. So what we have is absolute beauty. So we've got an 11mm shackle, 6-pin core. Let's have a look at that. We've got 9.5 millimeter rings, hardened steel. They've got this plating on it, and you've got 17 millimeters in between each link, which would pretty much fit any lock on the market today. What do we got here? Rated 7 out of 10. It's called the Messenger chain and Molly. So you guys can see that there. Lifetime warranty. Key replacement. So I think that's doesn't say. I think it's a 2-footer. That's strange because it doesn't say that on here. But anyways, first order of business. I don't know how the hell I'm gonna hold this, but anyways, let's see if we can get into this, or attempt to get into this. This is a 6-pin core. Gotta check my tensional again. Let's see if I'm gonna get in there with this. Positioning of the tension on this thing is key. Pardon the pun. Just put that down a little bit. Get some tension on there. 1. Getting, I'm just sliding off to the point where it's binding. Try it one more time before I go to the top. Let's see if I can get this in here. So we'll go to pin 6. Okay, we got nothing there. Yeah, I'm binding that core. else here? Let's go top of the keyway. Let's go top of the keyway on this one. This damn chain in my way here. Okay, let's go right to the back. Got springy on 6, 5. Click on 4. More lift. Okay, 4 is binding. Click. Can't get anything out of 3 right now, so I'm going to go back to it. I have not felt the spool. It's interesting. I'm wondering why I can't get any movement out of pin 3 here. Okay. One, 2. No, I'm not getting anything out of that pin. Okay, something's not right here. Okay, we've got all the pins moving. Let's try that again. Alright, try that again. And try this pick here. slipped off there, but I had counter rotation. Okay, we got a little bit of a false set going. We have some very unusually stiff pins here. I don't know why. I don't have a lot of tension here. I'm looking for the next binder. Coming up top, 1, 2 is a click. Strange. Try coming in from an angle here. There we go. I was able to get into it, guys. Sorry about that. Okay, let's see if I can just move this beast to the side. What a beautiful lock. And let's have a look together here at what we got. I'm feeling at least 4 spools, but let's have a look. It was interesting picking that in that position off the chain. Let's have a look at the core. I'll take some pictures after, as always, for you guys to get a better look. So there's our core. It's a 6-pinner, so I'm going to close that up. Oh, that's great. I need to get these keys, since I have not paid attention to these damn things. Okay. I'm going to grab these keys. They give you these nice key chains, key holders. Oh yeah, this is, as you guys can tell, this, take a look at this. I was mentioning that the pins were stiff. Take a look at that. Okay, let's have a look. Let's get this clip off. Off the back here. Okay, we've got the clip there. Gonna get this key. Went in a little bit easier there. I mean, I guess we're dealing with a brand new lock here, so anything could be possible. Let's run that through the garden. Okay, very interesting. So we do have a 6-pinner. We've got some nice drill protection up front. I haven't quite seen those colored key pins, but let's see what they've got inside here. So we've got a serrated in one. Yeah. A standard in 2. I noticed something serrated in 3. Okay, serrated in 4, serrated in 5, and serrated in 6. Yeah, everything but number 2 is serrated, and we're gonna go with the theory that number 2 is too short, and we've got undercutting in every chamber. That's awesome. Let's have a look here and see if we've got those. So both pin 1s are both steel pins. We'll confirm that in a second with the magnet. Either that or they're nickel plated. And now we've got our spools. Yeah, some very nice spools there. I'm not going to be surprised if it spools right to the end. I figured we had at least 4, but we may have 5. We've got 5 copper springs. I mean, for a lock like this coming right out of the box, I don't think I could ask for a better pinning combination. I mean, you've got all serrated key pins. Yeah, so we've got nothing there. So let's have a look. Let's check the first pin. Yeah, so you can see that. Oh, that's great. Good luck now finding it. Shit. Okay. Okay, so it is nickel plated. Doesn't quite adhere to the magnet. So let's have a look. So standard driver in 1, 5 spools, serrated in every key pin except position 2, and beautiful shiny copper springs. As always, I'll give you the close-up, guys. You can see the nicely serrated pins there. I'll show you the lock body. Just beautiful. There's the inside, and I will add pictures, of course. I wanted to show you the undercutting in the chambers. So let's see if we can capture. If I can't capture it here, I will capture it somehow in the photos. Yeah, there you can see it right there. Yeah, every chamber is undercut. I think that's awesome for a factory lock, and you can see the drill protection, and there's your keyway. What do we need? We need to see the key, so let's all look at it together. Not a bad looking key. I would call my gatekeeper definitely pin number 4 as a max cut, and you get up to hit up on pin number 6. So hope you guys enjoyed that. The Kryptonite Messenger Collection chain and padlock for you guys today. Hopefully you enjoyed the video. Hit the like button, subscribe, leave a comment. Appreciate your support, guys. Patience, practice, perseverance. Stay well. We'll see you in the next one. I will include the photos in the end. Thanks.